Cheers, mate. Look at this. It is indeed the most beautiful box ever seen because of the manifold. It's pressed. It's not welded. It is huge. And a special edition without any paint on it. Now, question is, what's the performance? It works well with the main stand. It's really hiding completely. Second one we test. First one had that additional silencer. Yeah, really curious. Let's start the engine. ResiBox, fancy schmancy. It's really cool, it's really nice. It's one of the nicest boxes I've ever seen. Look at this. Paulini versus ResiBox. Depends on what you want. You want torque or you want roughing. It will be a little bit faster, but till over 7,000 there is no advantage of the ResiBox. There is even 5 horsepower less and a lot of torque is missing, or just not here. Question is, can this make up for this loss here? This is the area where you move the scooter the most, in my opinion. And this is ResiBox, and let's just take the simple Malossi Faco box. And look at that. So red is the Malossi box. It doesn't have this hole here, and it revs exactly the same. Malossi box, we have to say, is really good. It is, isn't it? Cheers.
Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert, ist das ein Biest jetzt?